Very nice activities performed by you all in the CC activity. And now what are we going to do? We are going to discuss about. So today we are going to discuss about simile. You can see there course book page number 13. Yeah. Simile. What is a simile? Simile is a figure of speech. It is used to compare two different things. It is used to compare two different things which have one common quality. The same quality. Okay. Using the words as or like. For example, you see, the boy is very thin. He is a very thin. Have you seen the toothpick, Kavish? What Kavish is doing? No, yarning, okay? So listen. Now, a boy is very thin. Do you know the toothpick children? That is also very thin, no? Yeah. Very thin. So here, these two qualities are same. The boy is also thin. The toothpick is also thin. Same quality is there? Yes. So you can compare these two things. How? The boy is as thin as the toothpick. Yes. The boy is as thin as the toothpick. We are comparing the boy with the toothpick because their qualities are same. Understood now? As thin as. As thin as is a simile. And one more simile we have like. One more simile we have like. Last night, I ate like a Kumbhakaran. You know? Kumbhakarna, do you know? Yes? A very big, fat man who always likes to eat with two hands. Ha, 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 ha. The food was so tasty, so I ate like him. You want to see how Kumbhakarna will eat? Yes? I'll show you now. Listen. Will you please wait for a minute? similes I have told you. One is as, thin as, okay, or one more is like. As is a simile and like is also a simile. Got it, children? Let us see a small video on this simile. Are you ready? Yes, we will watch a small video. Yes, Shrestha, any doubt, beta? You raised hand. Shrestha? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, like in Lanka, Kumbhakarna will be. He will woke up for smell only.
Yes. Yes, food smell. 6 months he will eat and 6 months he will sleep continuously. Yes, okay. So let us see now. Ananya, put it aside.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching you about similes. What are similes? A simile is a figure of speech comparing two things with the words like or as. It is used to make the description more vivid. Here are 10 examples of similes. You were as brave as a lion.
See what quality we are comparing here? Braveness. You are also brave like a lion. So here we are using, say you were as brave as a lion. Okay.
They fought like cats and dogs.
Like, we used like, see, they fought like a cats and dogs, like Tom and Jerry. Yes, you people will fight with your brothers and sisters like that only, no? Whatever your brother take from you, whatever your sister holds in their hand, you also want the same thing. No, sister has taken that, I also want the same thing. Yes, like a cat and dogs.
She was cool as a cucumber.
She was cool. Cucumber. See, she was cool as a cucumber. When you eat cucumber, you feel the coolness in your body, right? Yes. So she is cool. Comparing that.
Your explanation is as clear as mud. He is tall like a giraffe.
Tall is a similar quality. The boy is tall like a giraffe. You can compare the tall students with the giraffe. See?
The ice cream was as cold as ice. She was as busy as a bee. Last night, I slept like a log.
How did you sleep? I slept like a log. How log is placed, you see? Once the log is placed, yes, it will not move. Will it move by itself? Logs can move? No. So we were also sleeping like that without moving.
I am so thirsty, my throat is as dry as a bone.
See, your throat is as dry. It is completely dry as a bone. As dry as a bone.
That game is as common as dirt. What simile have you used?
So So these are all the similes, children. Now, did you understand what are the similes? Similes are used with like, using the words as and like. Okay. Now, will you give me one simile of your own? Yes. Any doubt? Any child is having any doubt regarding the simile? Similes are the, yeah, two different things which where we are comparing with a common quality. We are comparing two different things with the same quality using as or like. Very simple, children. Yes. So now I want you to give me one simile. We'll start with Vignesh.
Ma'am,
Don't cry, Vignesh. I'll come to you. Yes.
ma'am,
Vignesh, tell me.
my friend is as fast as me.
Who?
Ma'am,
Repeat
my
again.
friend is as fast as me.
Oh, your friend is as fast as you. Good. And what is the simile in that? As fast as. Okay. As fast as. Very good. Abhignesh.
My grandpa walks as slow as turtle.
Oh, not turtle. Turtle only will swim in the water. Tortoise you can use.
Tortoise.
Yes. My grandfather walks as slow as the tortoise.
Tortoise.
Let your grandfather listen this. He's going to give one with your stick. Yes. Now, David.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, David. Give me one simile.
He was as tall as a tree.
Repeat again. Children.
He was tall as a tree.
He was as tall as a tree. Okay. As tall as is a simile. Good. Thailam.
Yes, ma'am.
Please. Fast. Children, you should ready with the simile. Okay. As soon as I ask, you should tell. Don't ask. Don't tell me. Yes, ma'am. What should I tell, ma'am? Come on, Thailam, fast. You get ready with the simile. I'll come to you again, Thailam. Kavish.
He climbed as fast as a monkey on the tree.
Oh, and who is he, you know? Kavish.
No, I will never climb on a tree.
You never climbed on a tree. You try now.
Yes.
Okay, is Sanvi
No.
sitting beside you?
Yes.
Sanvi, are you ready with the simile?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, fast.
My friend is as fast as running like me.
As fast as I run.
Yes.
So, as fast as. Okay. Ananya Bhushan.
The unicorn is as cute as a puppy.
Oh, you're comparing unicorn with a puppy. Good. Cute is the similar word, so that can be compared. Now, Shrestha, I'll ask you everyone, children, please have patience. Everyone, I'll come to everyone. Shrestha.
My hair is like a my doll's hair.
Okay, my hair is like my doll's hair. Yes, really, your hair is like a doll only. Yes, Thailam.
The cheetah is as fast as a car.
As fast as a car. Hmm. Okay. Yashasvi.
Ma'am, her voice was as cold as ice.
Her voice is as cold as ice. Oh, nice comparison. Medha. Medha, darling.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my Mama did not do that comparison.
No, you give me one simile using as or like.
Okay. Mm, my sister is 3 years old younger than me.
Your sister is
3 years old younger than me.
sweet as you have to compare.
3 years old younger than me.
No, not that. You have to use as or like in your sentence. So sweet, you can use my sister is as sweet as Laddu. My sister is as naughty
Candy.
as naughty as.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. My sister is as naughty as a monkey.
Oh. Okay, now you got it. Good. And next, Ashwath,
Ma'am.
I will not
Akshat,
ask you
ma'am.
one question also. You see, Nehal, you are disturbing a lot.
Ma'am, my name is not
1 second, beta. Yes, Akshat, please tell me, beta.
This pizza is as cold as ice.
Oh, don't eat that pizza then.
Ma'am.
You should eat
After it
hot
melt, I will
pizza.
eat, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Srikhar.
He roars like a lion.
He?
Roars like a lion.
What did he say? Okay, he roars like a lion. Srikhar roars like a lion. Next one. Shanmukapriya.
Ma'am.
This much time you cannot take, Shanmukapriya. Arham Ali.
Yes, ma'am.
Arham.
The warrior was as big as lion.
The warrior was as brave as lion. Sports book. Harshini.
Ma'am,
Give me one simile, my dear.
I ran after my brother.
No, that is not a simile. You have to use as or like in your sentence.
I go to
You use like this. See, you told no, you run. No, you use I ran like a cheetah behind my brother.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Adya. Adya. Adya, what are you doing? No sound, no respond. I cannot hear you, Adya. Sorry. Shanmukapriya,
Ma'am,
please tell me fast.
I run fast as a cheetah.
I run as fast as a cheetah. Very good. Good children. So, any child is missing? Did I ask everyone? Danesh, I didn't ask. Danesh? Danesh? He's not there in the class. Good. Okay. Now the children, those who are present in the class, they will show these are the similes. Now I want you people to take out your notebook. Come on. Everyone fast. Take the notebook, write the heading. Come on. Simile. Write CW first. Date and CW. Come on, children, make it fast. Take out your notebooks, everyone. I will do now. First take out notebook. Ready with your notebooks? What is today's date? 15. Fifteen three. And right here, CW. And use capital letters to write the topic. Simile. All the capital letters. No, don't leave line. First line, you write this simile. Yes, write it in the first line. And classwork right at the top. Okay. Now we are going to write what is simile actually. Come on. Take the next line and write simile is a figure of speech. Figure of speech. It is used to compare two different things which have one common quality. Read and write, children. How I'm reading, you have to read like that. Simile is a figure of speech. Of speech. It is used to compare two different things which have one common quality. Using the words sorry. Using the words on and like. Examples. He is as thin as the toothpick. So this is a simile here. I have underlined, see, as thin as. And one more example we will write using like. His voice. Okay, like no, last night. Last night. I slept like a log. Like. And next, what is your homework? Do you know? Yes. HW. Write any 5 examples of similes. Yes. Write any 5 examples of similes. So first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. You have to do it by yourself. This is HW. This is your HW. Write HW in another page. Don't write in the same page. Take a new page for the HW children. Clear? No. Take another page means another page. That's all. Log, Ray, not dog. You slept like a dog. Ah, log, not dog.